Huge shout out. That's right. We got a huge shout out to my guys over at Lightning Rod Energy. The secret to the success here at Dream Huge Realty. Not only do we use them for pre-workouts, we also pop one in the afternoon so we stop from dragging and we can get those deals closed when we're getting tired. Get your Lightning Rod Energy, folks. Here we go. Ready?
Oh.
Here we go. Lightning rods for everybody.
Whoa, Oprah.
Woo! Mark, coming to you. Boom! D8. Adam. JP. Behind the back. Oh. Kyle. Oh, nice catch, Amy. Erica. Oh, everybody. Who'd I forget? Brian. And Kenna.
Read you mine because I didn't know you were video. And I'm like, oh, in mine.
Jess. Hey.
Don't get that.
Lightning Rod Energy. Check them out.